Hey guys, I'm so excited to be back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be making over my bathroom. When I moved in, I immediately painted it this pretty blue color, but shortly after I realized how dark and dreary it made the bathroom, especially since it's already a small space. I'm also going to be making some storage adjustments. This storage cabinet I bought, it's too big and bulky and it doesn't fit the space well, so I'm going to be switching that out. I'm also just going to do things to make the bathroom brighter, make it a space that I love, and I'm going to try and do that for under $300, so let's see if I can do it. One major issue in my bathroom is that there's no under the sink storage, so I kind of have to bring in storage space. So, like I said, I'm going to be switching out that cabinet I already have, but I'm also going to be making, like, doing my own DIY ledge. So, I have shelves in there, but I hate them. I just hate reaching up for them. So, here I'm going to be making a ledge that goes across like one side of the bathroom, and you're going to see it in the next clip. But here I'm just building it. I used 3 pieces of wood. I bought one really big one, then had them cut it to 3 pieces that fit my bathroom. I took the measurements before going to Home Depot, and then I just bought these L brackets, and I'm going to be using those to attach it to the wall. I feel like this kind of project is usually done with some kind of glue to attach it to the wall, but I didn't feel like doing that research, and these brackets were enough for me. So they may not be cute right now, but I'm going to put stuff on the ledge so it'll hide it so you won't see them. These are the cutest shower hooks I've ever seen, and of course they are Kate Spade. I feel like Kate Spade has the cutest little things like this. I found them at Bed Bath & Beyond and I couldn't resist, so I bought them. They were $18. So here's our blank canvas. I feel like the pink brightens it up so nicely. I'm considering painting this pole, but I think I need heat resistant paint and I don't have that, so I'm just going to ask the super. And as you saw in the before clip, I had blue paint on the ceiling because I just wasn't careful and I was too lazy to put tape up before painting the blue. So I tried to correct it with the white paint that I have, but it's too bright, so I'm going to ask the super for a white that matches the ceiling. This window was a huge inspiration behind the makeover. I really wanted to highlight the light that it brings in, so I went with a clear shower curtain. I've moved this rug around so many times. It was originally in the kitchen, but I think it's beautiful in the bathroom. I definitely prefer floor storage that I can easily just reach into. Here I keep my hair stuff that I need daily, and then like shampoo and conditioner, some extra soap. It's nice that I'm able to put a real plant in here because of the natural light that it gets, and I also throw in some pine cones to keep it fresh in here. Just adding a fake plant in this cute little bowl I got from Target to house my daily stuff like my face wash. I know some people like to use toothpaste when they're in the shower, so I put it in there too. I got this print on Etsy. I just downloaded it, then printed it, and then I got the frame from Michael's. I got this cute towel from TJ Maxx. I ordered it online and came in a set of 2. When decorating, it's important to also just be practical. Like, I need this stuff regularly, so I'm not going to hide it, but I'm going to put it on display and make it look really cute. And in that way, you can also save money by not having to buy so much decor. You can just make what you have decor. Another cute print from Etsy. I got it from the same seller, so I'll list them down below. I love, love, love this mirror. I got it from Target. It's originally $40, but it's been on sale for $28 and $32, so I just had to get it. And I knew I wanted gold accents, and this just fit perfectly. And I also wanted to create some kind of vintage vibe. That's why I did the pink. And I feel like this kind of helps to create that vibe. I just love having wipes on hand. Like I take wipes everywhere with me. It's always in my purse. So I want to have it in the bathroom, but I don't want to just have it in its normal packaging. So I have this wipe holder from one of my baby cousins. It was still in the apartment. I found it in the apartment when I was cleaning. So I'm just going to use this gold spray paint that I already had just to try and make it fit the vibe of the bathroom. 'Cause I will be with you every second of my life. Sometimes it's just another day to get through, but it's not easy when you're blind from the truth. Oh, darling, let me be your mountain, 'cause it is my goal. So I didn't spray paint the bottom because no one's really going to see it, but I cut the wipes out of its original packaging, and now I'm just going to add it to its new chic gold packaging. Gotta make it all right. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Even if you're down under the ocean floor. It's been 3 months since we talked. Feel like you're on the road, yeah. Me, myself, and I just keep on stumbling around. You get someone else who is loving you. And oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside. And oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. And I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. 'Cause I got good old la 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 la. I just love how pretty and bright it is. I feel like it's so practical. Like I have everything I need readily available. I can just reach down and grab it from over here. I'll reach over and grab it from the ledge, and then now I can use the sink and the soap holder and the toothbrush holder as kind of countertops. So I feel like this is just so practical. I love it. It's so refreshing, and I just love being in the bathroom now. And I'm happy to share that I only spent about $200 on this entire makeover. I'll list everything I actually bought for the makeover in the description bar below, and I'll attach links if I have them. But a lot of the stuff I just took from other rooms in the apartment, so I didn't have to buy everything. So just keep that in mind when you're making over a room. Don't buy completely new everything. Some things you could just take from other spaces. I hope you all enjoyed this. See you in my next video. Bye.